Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching my daily software review from my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with my another review. I'm gonna review a new product called VoiceBuddy. VoiceBuddy is so amazing that I'm sure it is the last text-to-speech application you ever need. As a matter of fact, VoiceBuddy works in only three simple steps. All you have to do is step number one, select your language and voice. Step number two, paste your text into VoiceBuddy. Step number three, click to generate your audio. In a matter of minutes, VoiceBuddy will fire out a brand new audio file that sounds incredibly human. Okay, before watching my VoiceBuddy video review today, please click the subscribe button below to subscribe my channel to watch more online reviews from me, as well as get more online marketing tips from me. And don't forget to click the link inside my video description down below to check all the details about my bonus package. Okay, now let's get started with the software VoiceBuddy. Okay, and I am inside the dashboard of VoiceBuddy. This is cloud-based software, so you'll be able to access to this software from any of your devices. Okay, and this software has some main sections like text-to-speech format, text-to-speech poly, audio list, video creator, image editor, gallery, YouTube bonuses, sub-user. And on my main screen, you can see some statistics as well as my activities from my dashboard. I have 143 audio generated, 19 video created, and one sub-users, Amazon audio list, Google audio list, which looks like this. Okay, and here is the graph from my software. And I would like to show you the first module from this software today, that is text-to-speech by using WayNet and using Poly. They are both similar module, but from different platforms. Okay, they are both very famous platforms on the internet that allows you to turn your text to speech very naturally. Okay, I'm going to show you the first one, that is text-to-speech from WayNet. All right, I am at the text-to-speech editor WayNet, and you have some options like this. You have a compose an epic box. All you have to do is paste your text into this box, and you'll be able to click on submit button to turn your text to incredible speech. Okay, don't forget to select the language you want to use text-to-speech module from here. You can click on the drop-down menu and you'll be able to select any language you want. Okay, with that means you can use text-to-speech for any language from this drop-down menu. Okay, all you have to do is select the language you want from this drop-down menu, and what you're going to do next is enter the text from that language you want to transform it to speech. Okay, and you also have a translation module. For example, when you have a URL right here, you can, for example, I'm gonna copy my URL and I'm gonna paste into this box, and you can fetch this text from any URLs on the internet to the box. Okay, I'm gonna click on fetch text, and you'll be able to see my URL. It just transformed to text which look like this. Okay, and you'll be able to transform these text to any language you want. All you have to do is select the language you want to translate from this drop-up menu. Okay, and I want to delete some of text, and I want to make a demonstration for you. Okay, for example, I'm going to select this text, and I'm going to select the language I want to transform from this drop-up menu. I want to select French, and I'm going to hit translate, and you're going to see it just translated to French language like this. Okay, and remember that you can be able to translate your original language to any language from the drop-up menu like this. Okay, and you can remember that you can have a lot of any language under the input text. All you have to do is select the language from you want from here and click on the submit button to transform your text to a voiceover. And don't forget to check out some settings on the top menu like this. You have a select emphasis, select say as, select break, select pitch, sentence, paragraph, select audio, and select speed. For emphasis, you have strong, moderate, reduce, say as ordinal, character, cardinal, belief, unit. Okay, select break. Yeah, you can select any breaks for your voiceover, so you can make your speech more and more naturally. Okay, more natural like human. You'll be able to select the pitch like this. Select the speech slow, medium, fast, or X fast. Select audio. You can add some audios to your text if you want for you to your speech. If you want, for example, Boeing cowbell, sniffle, guitar, boring, okay, the rumble, ripping jingle bells, alarm clock, human birch, okay. And for example, this is my French language, and I want to select French. Where is my French language? Okay, it is a French language, and you have to select the voice from female or male. I want to select male, and I'm gonna click on submit button. Enter project name. Okay, test number 772. Okay, I want to click submit button. Okay, and the software is processing my campaign audio audio successfully generated. Okay, and down below is my generated audio using a VoiceBuddy from the text-to-speech WebNet. And I have a content, this is my text content type using WebNet audio preview. You can click on
Pas
that.
de problème, vous voulez ajouter de l'accent à certains endroits, c'est ça?
Okay, and you can click on that button to download this audio file to your computer like this. And you can click on that to edit your campaign. Okay, and I'm going to move on the text-to-speech from Poly. This is another amazing platform similar to WebNet that allows you to transform text to speech, and it's very natural like human too. And you have a same interface, and all you have to do is just enter the text into that, and you can select all of the settings I just done is I text-to-speech from WebNet. And you can also select the file from your computer. Yeah, select the text file from your computer, and you'll be able to transform it to text using text-to-speech from Poly. Yeah, it is very similar to text-to-speech from WebNet. They are both a very amazing platform that are doing text-to-speech very well. Okay, and you can go to audio list to check all of your generated audios. Okay, and here is the section where consists all of your audios you are using with VoiceBuddy, and yeah, you can go to it and you can check all of generate audios like this. You can click on this button to listen the voice.
For effective ways to become more persistent, one of the most admirable characteristics a person can possess is persistence. Without persistence, no great achievement is possible.
Okay, you can check with another one.
Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Goodbye. Hello. How are you? I'm fine.
Okay, I'm gonna click on that to move on the next page, and you can check with another examples.
I was sheriff of this county when I was 25. Hard to believe. Grandfather was a lawman. Father too. Me.
Okay, this is voiceover generated by Waynat, and I want to certify the voiceover creating by Poly, Amazon Poly. Click on it.
VoiceBuddy is a new cloud-based software that produces natural-sounding voiceovers from simple text.
Okay, and I also have some examples of my voiceovers I list on my article review. So after watching my video review today, you can go to my website, come back my article review, and you can scroll down to this section, and I set up 3 examples for you right here, so you can check them by yourself. You can click on that, and you can listen the voice I made with VoiceBuddy.
Text-to-speech is a very powerful tool when it's done right. However, we've seen that most text-to-speech.
All right. And I would like to show you the next section from VoiceBuddy, that is Video Creator. Video Creator allows you to combine your generated voiceover using VoiceBuddy and pixelate images to create your fully completed video. And all you have to do is to go to Video Creator, click on Create Video, and in the next step, what you can do is enter the title, for example, tag number 6, and all you have to do is select the audio. This is all of your generated audios using text-to-speech from Waynet or text-to-speech from Poly, and also all you have to do is select your generated video before. You can select
Pas
this
de problème, vous voulez ajouter de l'accent à certains endroits? C'est simple, combiné à la création de présentations de vidéos que vous pouvez utiliser sur vos sites ou même vos chaînes YouTube auront un...
Okay, and you'll be able to click on search images, so you can enter your keyword right here. For example, weight loss. I'm going to try on using a random keyword, for example, weight loss, and I'm going to click on show results. And you're going to see a lot of relevant images based on my keyword, and all of these images are free, so you can use them without any fear. You can select any images you want for your campaign. For example, I want to select first 4 images, and I'm going to click on done to move on to the next step. And you'll be able to click on submit button to submit your video. And when you click on submit, VoiceBuddy is processing your video. It's gonna combine your generated voiceovers and your images to make a fully completed videos. And you can see my video campaign is just processing with status pending right here. And down below, you're gonna see some completed videos used by using VoiceBuddy, and you can click on that to download the video to your computer like this. All right, and okay, and the next session I would like to show you that is the video list. Okay, video list is where you are seeing right now. Image editor. Image editor is a inbuilt Photoshop online, but much easier. That allows you to customize your image right from the software VoiceBuddy. All you have to do is click on that and upload the image you want to your software like this. And okay, click on open, and you're going to be able to use this software like crop, rotate, resize, round color. You're going to be able to add text, filter, save, filter, drawing, text, sticker like this to customize your image. Okay, this is exactly the software image editor inside VoiceBuddy does. Can come back. Okay, and I would like to show you the next section from VoiceBuddy, that is a gallery. The gallery includes video gallery and image gallery. For video gallery, you can okay, Gallery is where it's like the video library that allows you to upload your own videos from your computer to VoiceBuddy. Yeah, it is like a video gallery that allows you to upload any videos from your computer. Similarly, you have a image gallery that allows you to upload your thumbnail. Yeah, and with the YouTube, you'll be able to integrate your YouTube account to VoiceBuddy, and then VoiceBuddy allows you to share your generated videos on your YouTube channel on Autopilot, and you can also upload your videos to your VoiceBuddy video library, and you'll be able to upload your videos to your YouTube channels on Autopilot. Okay. Yeah, okay, all you have to do is go to YouTube account and click on add account, and you be able to integrate your YouTube channel to VoiceBuddy. And then don't forget to integrate your social accounts, including Twitter, Pinterest, and Tumblr to VoiceBuddy too, because when you upload your videos to your YouTube channel, the software VoiceBuddy will automatically upload your videos on social media accounts on Autopilot too. So don't forget to click on that to integrate your social media accounts to VoiceBuddy. And down below you have YouTube upload section. All you have to do is go to YouTube upload, and all you have to do is compose your video description. And remember that you'll be able to translate your video description to any language you want from the drop up menu like this. Select the language you want to translate and click on translate button to translate your original video description to the language you want, and enter your title, video text, and select the video you want from your video library. Click on that and select the language, select the videos you want to your campaign like this, and select the thumbnail you uploaded before, for example this one, and set schedule. Yeah, you have to select the schedule time, select the channel you integrated before, select the time zone, select the category, and you can also select the social media accounts you want to be posted to, and finally click on submit button, and then software VoiceBuddy will automatically upload your videos to YouTube channels and social media accounts on Autopilot. Okay, you can click on social links to check some social links generated by VoiceBuddy. Okay, I just done showing you how to use the software VoiceBuddy, and I have some demo campaigns from my article review. So after watching my video review today, you can go to my website, scroll down to this section to check 3 examples. I use the VoiceBuddy to make. Okay. And this is such a great tool that allows you to turn any text by any language to speech easily. On top of that, VoiceBuddy also has a few extra great modules that allows you to create videos, how to upload videos on YouTube. I highly recommend you to buy this one today. And I would like to show you the next section, that is upsell. VoiceBuddy has one front end, and for upsells, for front end you have a VoiceBuddy, and you have to pay nearly $22. You have audio with full customization. You have a 500 words copy and paste into English language voiceover. Upsell number 1, you get VoiceBuddy Pro, and you have to pay from $27 to $37 one-time payment. And this software is going to be nearly $10 per month after the official launch. You have unlimited length copy and paste and text file support, import text from website URL, background music, Upsell number 2, you get VoiceBuddy translator. You have to pay from nearly $28 to $38. You'll be able to convert the scripts into any language with multi-language voiceovers. Upsell number 3, you get custom video creator, and you have to pay from nearly $38 to $48. Create video from bunch of images and VoiceBuddy integration and upload them into YouTube plus social sharing. Upsell number 4, you get VoiceBuddy agency, and you have to pay from nearly $38 to nearly $48. One user, but different logins. You can give access for employees or sub-users. Okay, and I just done showing you software VoiceBuddy today. VoiceBuddy is 100% cloud-based, so there's nothing for you to install. It works on every computer where the internet. But the main reason you love VoiceBuddy is that not only will it save you thousands of dollars in voice over costs, but VoiceBuddy it delivers every time on time without any objections or nasty attitudes that you sometimes get from freelancers. It's as simple as pasting your text, making a few adjustments that you feel necessary, and VoiceBuddy will give you a brand new, naturally sounding audio file in a matter of minutes. Okay, and yeah, down below are some of my bonuses I am giving away for you today. You get Vid Pro, Fish Pro, Viral Vidly, and VidMagine. And I have three article reviews. I have been reviewing these products. You can check this link to check them by yourself. Content link and a lot more cloud-based software from my view reviews today. If you happen to buy VoiceBuddy from my website today, you have a chance to get all of my bonuses. And don't forget to check my ID from your checkout page. All you have to do is click on this button and buy the VoiceBuddy. And don't forget to check this ID to make sure you buy it from me. And then forward your receipt to my email available right here to claim your bonuses. And if you have any questions, feel free to chat with me via my chat box available on my website, or you can leave a comment at my video down below, or leave a comment at my article review. I am super excited to help you out. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video review.